All right, so we stopped for our first fuel up and it looks like the sun is coming out. So no more riding in the rain. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. That's what the forecast said. So let's get on with it. All right, this is the beginning of the Cedar Creek Trail, I believe it is.
Chasing a storm, raging reckless, sipping superhero Kool-Aid. You have been told that you'll die alone if you don't blend in. If you don't bow to the crowd, they won't let you win. Coming in hard, they want you, like thieves in the night, trying to bring you down to break you. So make up your mind, be ready for it. Don't ever quit, cause you'll get only one shot. We're not the rule, we're the exception. Better, stronger, harder, faster. We're the ones who make it happen. Better, stronger, harder, faster. Where everyone else fails, we fight tooth and nail. We live to tell we die another day. All in life ain't fair, but we don't really care. We live to tell we die another day. You have grown, bad to the bone, still young and foolish, a savvy superhero. You have been told never grow old.
So this is the other end of that road.
No rest for the wicked if you want to
Open
win.
gate on it that we did not take. We went over the sure thing where the gate was not. So we wanted just to see if there was a gate on the other end. There is not. And this is a dicey road in the first 100 yards on the other end. So this will be a fun one right here.
Better, stronger, harder, faster. We're the ones who make it happen. Better, stronger, harder, faster. Where everyone else fails, we fight tooth and nail. We live to tell we die another day. All in life ain't fair, but we don't really care. We live to tell we die another day. Now you know how we will roll when playing hardball. Got fire in our feet. Together we stand, divided we fall. Tear down these big walls. It's time to hit the streets. Coming in hard, they fight ya. Don't give in, waving the banner for ya. Step on the grind, get right at it. Don't ever forget, cause you get only one shot. We're not the rule, we're the exception. Better, stronger, harder, faster. We're the ones who make it happen. Better, stronger, harder, faster. We're not the rule, we're the exception. Better, stronger, harder, faster. We're the ones who make it happen. let's get it, let's go. Yeah, yeah. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now, on the floor. Never seen a crew so fly, yeah, we taking over the town. Taking over. Watch them throw it back for a stack, make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for being shy. With all this paper I can buy. Wanna see you moving now. I can do this all night. Yeah, it ain't even a try. Black truck pulling up to the back door. They already know what we came for. Got the whole section going crazy, that's a fact though. She a bad thing, so on the main floor. She already know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it. She a bad thing, and she ain't afraid to show it. Yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it. She gon' make me throw some money on it. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now, on the floor. Never seen a crew so fly, yeah, we taking over the town. Taking off, watch them throw it back for a stack, make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for being shy. With all this
You hear the fender? That's what a high fender does on the KTM 390.
Yeah, it ain't even a try. Shut it back, thicker than a milkshake. Every time she move and make the ground shake. And the friend do it with her, for goodness sake. She don't even like the fellas, but a stack will make a play. Gon' make a play. Gon', make a play. She don't even like the fellas, but a stack will make a play. Gon' make a play. Gon', make a play. If she keep playing games, I'ma have to walk away. Whole bank account, I might just let it go. For another night like this, another crazy show. I'm on the stage every time shawty go low. I'm so gone off the vibe, I don't know how I'm getting home. Let's go. Yeah,
Trying to get out of here before it gets too dark. I have a very big fear of deer. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Huh? Yeah.
Watch him throw it back for a stack, make it bounce for a while.